Hi there. In this video, we are going to go over posture and balance. They are both related, so let's get started. So in previous videos, and I'll link them below, we talked about how to have good posture. There is a lot of research out there showing the relationship between poor posture and poor balance. So let's work on both together, which is very fun. So start off with your feet together. Now, if you have some balance issues, please talk to your medical provider, your physician or physical therapist before starting this. That's very important. We don't want you to fall. You could also have a chair next to you for added balance. So you're going to start off with your feet together, and we're just going to do some chin tucks. So try and have your face straight up and down, and then slide your chin back. And again, there's some videos below that will go into greater detail. But you're going to try and tuck your chin while you're standing with your feet together. And you'll notice that I'm not really holding my chin tuck very long. I am just going back and forth, all while having my feet together. Now, keeping your feet together helps to reduce your center of gravity, which makes it more difficult. So after we've done a few chin tucks, try and close your eyes and do some chin tucks. So still keep your feet together, have your chair handy next to you. Start off holding on, close your eyes, and do some chin tucks. You'll be amazed at how much visual information helps us out. You can, if you feel like you can do it well with holding on and your eyes closed and the feet together, try taking your hand away and do your chin tucks with your eyes closed. That adds another little element of difficulty, okay? After you try a few of those, go ahead and relax. Now, one of the rules of these videos is that you certainly may watch these videos, but I'd like you to try them. So don't just sit there and watch. You gotta try these exercises. Okay, the next one, you still have your feet together, okay? You're standing up nice and tall. You are tucking your wings, you're bracing your abdomen, and you're trying to keep your chin tucked. So you're in good posture with your feet together. Now go ahead and try and turn your head to the side and then back nice and slowly, and to the other side and then back. Now having our feet close together again makes this slightly difficult. If you feel like that's too challenging, please hold on to the chair next to you. So let's try a few more. To the side and then together, not together, but to the center and then to the other side. And then to the center, make sure your abdomen's braced. And we'll go to the other side again. And back to center. And to the side. And back to center. There isn't really a magic number to how many to do for these exercises. Just do them until you get a little bored. Now try it with your eyes closed. Definitely hold on to start with. So again, check your posture. Tuck those shoulder blades in. Brace your abdomen. Tuck your chin and close your eyes and turn your head to the side and then back to center and then the other side and back to center. And again, with all of these, when you try it with your eyes closed, please try it first holding on. But now try it without holding on. If you felt okay holding on, close your eyes, feet together, abdomen brace, scapula tucked, shoulder blades tucked, and turn to the side with your eyes closed, and to the center, and to the other side, and back to center. Let's try it again with our eyes closed, with good posture, and back to center, and to the side, and back to center. Good. Hopefully you did not feel dizzy with that. All right, now if you can do that okay, go ahead and hold on again. Your feet are still together, your abdomen's still braced, your shoulder blades are tucked in, and you're tucking your chin, and we're going to tilt your head side to side. I know this is very exciting. I hear a lot of cracks this morning. Good. So if you don't get dizzy while doing this, try it without holding on with your feet together. Just go side to side. Good. And now try it with your eyes closed. First hold on again, close your eyes, go side to side. Your feet are still together, your abdomen's braced. Good, and tilt your ear to your shoulder, and then back up, and to the other side, and back up. Keep the abdomen braced. Okay, open your eyes. How did you feel there? No big deal? All right, let's make it a little bit more challenging. Okay, go ahead and stand on one foot. Keep your abdomen braced, tuck those wings. Your face is straight up and down, your chin is tucked. If you notice that your hip is dropping, try and raise your hip up. That'll keep you in good posture. And let's just try and stand on one leg. If you have a hard time with this, please hold on, okay? And you can always count inside your head to see how long you can stand on one leg. It's good to be able to stand for at least 30 seconds on each leg. Okay, let's try the other leg. Okay, you can always hold on to start with. Again, your hips are level. Don't let it drop down. Make sure that hips level, abdomen's braced, shoulder blades are tucked, chin's tucked, face straight up and down. Boy, you're gonna have nightmares about me saying that, aren't you? So start off holding on, and then drop your hand if you can. Okay, and let's see how you do on the other leg. Keep the abdomen braced. Very good. This is my dysfunctional leg. I'm not as steady on my left leg. We all have little things going on in our bodies. Woo! Very good. All right, now let's go back to your original leg. Okay, the first one you tried. Stand on one leg again. Again, don't let your hips drop. Keep them straight up and down. Keep your abdomen braced. Shoulder blades tucked in. Okay, you're holding on if you need to start. And keep your chin tucked. Go ahead and close your eyes. Okay, this really challenges the balance system here. Keep your abdomen braced. If you feel like you're steady, you can go ahead and let your hand down. Woo! I'm not steady today, am I? Gotta work on this. Again, that's why it's good to have a nice chair handy. Okay, you can see this is significantly challenges my balance. Okay, and again, that's something to work on, because we don't lose our balance all of a sudden when we turn 70, 80. It happens over time. So it's something we really need to practice. We always see kids jumping on park benches and working on their balance all the time. And we stop doing that as adults. So that's one reason why we lose it. All right, let me try my dysfunctional leg. My left leg, stand on one foot. And your posture is good. Tuck the chin. Make sure your hip doesn't drop. Okay, shoulder blades are tucked in. Chin's tucked. Okay, all right, I'm gonna close my eyes. You're gonna see me fall, I'm sure. So I bring my hand down. Woo! All right, this is hard. Okay, again, if you have any balance issues, please check with your physical therapist that knows you or your doctor before you start this. We do not want any falls. Okay, something for me to work on. So that's standing on one leg with your eyes closed. And again, there's no magic number. Just keep challenging yourself to do a little bit more. All right. Let's up the ante even more, okay? For the next one, the way to increase your challenge is you can get a folded towel and stand on that, or one of my favorite tools for working on balance is this lovely balance board. It's a wobble board. It's wooden, and you can put it on the ground or floor and stand on it. And it provides an unsteady surface, okay? So you can stand on this and go through the same neck routine as before, okay? Standing on the balance board, you can have your feet separated just for starters, but as it gets easier for you, you certainly can bring your feet closer together and work on moving your head side to side. It wouldn't hurt to make sure this is placed on a little carpeted area, because if you slip and fall, it can slide easily, okay? But this can really challenge your balance. Well, great job with the fun balance and posture exercises that you just did. Hopefully you can incorporate that throughout the day. You don't necessarily have to do them all at one time. Sometimes I work on my balance when I'm brushing my teeth or washing dishes. Just trying to incorporate it throughout your day makes it easier to get in. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, bye now.